Hi Butties, hope you're having a good day. Today, let's continue with the previous topic that we were discussing, the divisibility rules. I hope you remember the first two divisibility rules that we discussed, the divisibility of 2 and the divisibility of 3. The divisibility of 2 was, if you get a number, you go and check the last digit, and if the last digit is a even number, which means if it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then definitely that number can be divided by 2 without leaving a remainder, which means 2 is a factor of that number. And the divisibility rule of 3 was, you take the number, you add all the digits, and if the sum which you get is a multiple of 3, then definitely that number is divisible by 3 without leaving a remainder. Or in other words, 3 is a factor of that number. Now let's continue with two more numbers. The divisibility rule of 5 and the divisibility rule of 10. In the whole divisibility rule, this is my favorite. Do you know why? Because this is the easiest to remember. The divisibility rule of 5 is very simple. You just need to check the last digit, and if the last digit is 5 or 0, then no doubt the number is divisible by 5, or 5 is a perfect factor of this number. Examples: 10. The last digit is 0, and see, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, no remainder. So yes, 5 is a factor of 10, or 10 can be divided by 5. Let's look one more example. 105. See, 105 divided by 5 is equal to 21. No factor, no reminders left. One more example. 1005. See, 1005 divided by 5 is equal to 201. No reminder. So 5 is a perfect factor for all these numbers. And if you see, the last digit is 5 or 0. So any number having the last digit 0 and 5 is perfectly divisible by 5. Okay. And the next one is divisibility of 10, which is again very easy. The last digit is 0. 10, 20, 100, 1000. Let it be any big number. If the last digit is 0, then please understand that it is perfectly divisible by 10. Also, just remember, since the 0 is also coming in this divisibility rule, that number is also divisible by 5. So I hope that's clear. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's see the next video with again few more divisibility rules.